Hey there, business owners of West Houston. Are you tired of dealing with constant tech headaches, worrying about cybersecurity breaches, or waiting forever for IT support? Let me tell you why Impress IT Solutions is your go-to for managed IT services. In today's digital age, downtime and security issues can cripple your productivity. Whether you're in construction, manufacturing, law, or any industry, you need a reliable, secure, and responsive IT system. That's where Impress IT Solutions comes in. More than just an IT provider, they're your strategic partner, dedicated to making technology simple, secure, and scalable for your business. So, what exactly are managed IT services? Think of it as having a full IT department, without the overhead costs. Instead of waiting for problems to happen, a managed IT provider like Impress monitors, maintains, and improves your systems around the clock. Here's what you get with Impress IT Solutions. First, 24/7 proactive monitoring. They keep an eye on your systems day and night to prevent issues before they arise. Second, reliable help desk support. No more waiting hours or days for assistance. You get fast, friendly support to keep your team productive. Cybersecurity is a huge concern, right? Impress offers multi-layered protection from firewall monitoring to employee training, keeping your business safe from threats like ransomware and phishing emails. Plus, their cloud services and Microsoft 365 management ensure seamless and secure operations. But that's not all. Their data backup and disaster recovery guarantee that your data is secure and easily recoverable, even in the event of a disaster. And with strategic IT consulting, Impress aligns your tech investments with your business goals, turning technology into a competitive advantage. Why choose Impress IT Solutions? They're local and responsive, based right here in West Houston. They know the local business landscape and provide personal, reliable service. Their security-first mindset means your systems are designed with protection at the core. And their people-focused service delivers white-glove experiences with a friendly, approachable team. Ready to eliminate IT stress, improve cybersecurity, and get faster support? Contact Impress IT Solutions today for a free IT consultation or network assessment. Let's get you set up for success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips on managing your business technology.